Building a profitable online business from scratch. Want to learn how to build an online business? There's a lot that goes into creating an online business. If you're new to the game, it can be hard to know where to start. Should you start developing a product? Identifying your target customer? Building your website? There is so much to do. Welcome back to our channel, where we empower aspiring entrepreneurs like you to build profitable online businesses from scratch. Today, we will dive deep into the step-by-step process of creating a successful online business. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. There are many types of online businesses. Before you take the plunge to build an online business, you'll want to find out which one is right for you. There are many different types of businesses you can build using nothing but your computer. E-commerce is the business of selling physical products over the internet. If you have products to sell, building an e-commerce store can be a great business model. Digital products. Physical products aren't the only products you can sell online. Digital products such as ebooks, educational courses, or design templates can be a great way to generate income online. Affiliate marketing. Don't have any of your own products to sell? No worries. With affiliate marketing, you can sell other people's products and earn a commission every time you make a sale. Free or consultation. If you have an in-demand skill, building a freelance or consulting business and then promoting that business and finding new leads online may be the business model for you. Social media-based businesses. If you have a large social media following, for example, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, there is also an opportunity to build an online business based on social media. You can monetize your social media following in a variety of ways, from brand partnerships to subscription groups to premium content. Once you are clear about what type of business you want to create, it is much easier to develop a strategy to bring that business to life. Many people want to start a business but are hindered by the investment required to get it off the ground. You have to pay for leasing, purchasing inventory, and budgeting for employee wages. If the business fails, it can ruin you financially. However, with an online business, you need to computers, domain name, website builder. In other words, launching an online business with $100 as startup capital is feasible, and you don't need to risk your life savings to become a successful online entrepreneur. When you have a brick-and-mortar business, you have to deal with real-world constraints, from real estate costs to local demand. Major potential and growth. When you run an online business, none of these restrictions apply. You can sell to anyone, no matter where they live, and every year, your pool of potential customers expands as more people become comfortable with online shopping. By 2025, e-commerce will account for nearly 25% of global retail sales. Additionally, the global internet population is also growing, as it is predicted to reach 5.6 billion internet users worldwide by 2025. More people online means more potential exposure for your online brand, especially if you don't want to take your online business across borders. Always running. Another advantage online businesses have over brick-and-mortar businesses is that they can stay open 24/7, even through lockouts and other disruptions. Once your business website is online, you'll always be able to make a sale. Shop owners can order from you at any time. Since you don't need to be physically present to make a sale, your business can generate revenue with less day-to-day attendance. Decide your niche and business idea. A business niche is an area of your focus, a market segment and target audience that you primarily serve. This can be anyone from sports enthusiasts to hobbyists to professionals. You need to choose a niche for your new business. To find the right target audience, make sure they have a problem that no one else can solve. Willingness to pay for a solution to that problem. Sufficient discretionary income to afford the solution. Once you've decided on your location, consider the following steps to establish your business idea. Start an e-commerce store. E-commerce has been around for nearly 4 decades, but there's never been a better time to launch an online store than now. Once you've decided on your niche, choose an e-commerce platform, set up your online store and start driving traffic to it. If you plan to self-host, you can opt for a dedicated service. Alternatively, you can start selling on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Visit dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online fulfillment method that allows you to sell physical goods without maintaining inventory. Here's how it works. The customer orders a product on your e-commerce website. You forward the order to the manufacturer. The manufacturer then ships the product directly to the customer. Dropshipping is an attractive option for those who want to get into e-commerce without assuming the financial risk of carrying inventory. With revenues forecast at $557.9 billion for the year 2025, it's no surprise that the dropshipping business market is booming. Become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is worth considering if you want to start an online business but aren't interested in creating your own products. Here's how affiliate marketing works. Sign up for an affiliate program. Choose someone else's product to promote to your audience. This can be any digital product or physical product. Earn a commission for every sale generated through your referral link. Promote affiliate products on your blog by creating SEO or social content around relevant keywords and optimizing it to get organic traffic from Google. You can promote affiliate products to your email list subscribers by letting your affiliate partners host webinars for your audience. Affiliate marketing has very low startup costs. You only pay upfront for a domain name, web hosting, and email marketing software. Provide web design services. Create a portfolio website to attract clients. You can learn the basics of web development and design through e-learning platforms and experiments. Alternatively, you can sign up with a freelance marketplace like Upwork or 99 Designs. Freelancing can be challenging at times. While you benefit from location independence and a flexible schedule, you initially have less predictable income and financial stability. Whichever option you choose, when you have web design skills, you can expand into creating and selling your own products, helping to reduce financial volatility and bring more autonomy. Product feasibility evaluation. You want to fully evaluate the feasibility of your product before purchasing or manufacturing a large order. To do that, ask these questions. Already have a successful online business selling such products? Is the demand for this product sustainable? Or is it temporary? Does the math behind this product make sense? Can you sell it for a profit? Remember, it doesn't matter how cool or exciting a product looks. What matters is that it is feasible from a business perspective. Define your brand and image. A brand is the entire essence of your business. You need everything from your business name to your web design and copy to convey a consistent visual image and ideas. This also applies to your off-site presence, from social media and email newsletters to packaging. As you work on your brand identity, your logo, color range, landing pages, page layouts, typography, graphics and photos. Your brand image should be the result of all these elements working together. Learn about online business rules. Small business owners may assume that traditional business laws do not apply because they are running an online business. While an online business requires fewer licenses and permits than a brick-and-mortar operation, you still need to sort out some crucial legal details. Especially, what kind of business license do you need to start operations? Which legal structure makes the most sense, sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or corporation? Do you have any licenses you need to obtain? Are there tests you need to pass? Do you need a sales tax permit? Are there specific regulations that only apply to online businesses? What are the laws regarding hiring contractors and hiring employees? Each state and country has its own laws. Always be sure to verify information with local authorities. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.